Hello, my name's Warren Shute. I'm excited to announce that I've launched the Money Plan Workshop. The Money Plan Workshop is going to be a one-day presentation where I get hands-on with you to help you go through the 5 steps of the money plan. We'll set your compelling vision. We'll set you a compelling vision and work out your 1, 3, 5, and 10-year goals. We'll get you financially well organized. I'll go through the bank account system and the children's pocket money process. We'll put it into place in the meeting. We'll do as much as we can. We'll then go through the financial foundations of getting financially well organized and the house of wealth. Remember, there are 8 basic financial foundations. 3 of them are essential. We'll get those in place in the meeting. We'll do as much as we can to ensure that they're in place. Step 4, debt repayment. We'll bring your debt with you, your statement. We'll organize it in a spreadsheet so that you know how much to pay, when to pay, how to pay, and when the debt will be repaid. And then step 5, we'll look at your workplace pension. If you haven't got one, we'll get you set up on a pension scheme so you've got some money going into the future for compound growth. Now, this is a group of no more than 20 people, but the work will be done one-on-one. No information will be shared to the group. You bring along the information to you, and I'll make sure I spend time with you and you work on your own. This is private. I emphasize that because sometimes people get put off by sharing their financial information. This isn't the case. This is just for you. So remember, the Money Plan Workshop. Put your name down, message me below, and come along. It'll be a great day.